Forever's never gone so fast.
Hello girls, in this video I wanna show you how to lift your eyes by this Foxy Eyes makeup look. It's an Instagram makeup trend. I think you've seen such photos. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, I will change my eyebrows shape only by makeup products. For the Foxy Eye look, you need all lines in makeup to be rising. I'm taking my concealer stick from Soda and paint over the tip of my brow with it. And also I'm covering the whole eyelid with this concealer as a base for eyeshadows. I'm gonna to add beige pencil from NYX and paint over the hairs with it. Then I am fixing it with powder for long-lasting the makeup. Next, I'm using cold brown shade. I'm starting the shape contour as usual and then prolonging the tip up towards the temple. So I have got such a straight rising eyebrow like a lifting effect trend. I'm gonna to use brow gel from Catrice to raise the hairs. It looks more naturally than so redone brow. I will be using only one palette, so this makeup will be affordable also. It's Absolute New York Contour Palette. The darkest shade I'm applying into the crease. I'm blending the shade towards the nose and the temple on the other hand. This blending is stretching the eye, creating a lifting effect. Light powder shade, which is called Rose, I'm applying on my eyelid and blending it towards the temples as well. Then I'm just highlighting inner corners of my eyes with the Absolute New York highlighter. Next, I'm going to draw eyeliners with Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner. I'm starting from the middle of my eyelid and making such a long tip. I never draw such eyeliners in real life, but yes, they are really stretching the eyes visually. I'm also adding the liner into the inner corner of my eye, creating animal or foxy eye makeup look. I don't like bright and big eyeliners. I like to blend liners a little bit. I'm taking my brow shadows to do this, so you can see that makeup can be done with a few products. I'm blending the edges of the eyeliner with these eyeshadows. Gel liner is very persistent and of course the product is strongly fixed on my eyelid. I'm only creating an effect of smoky eyeliner. It looks beautiful and this technique also lengthens the eye form by darkening the outer corners of the eyes. Mascara is Cabaret Premiere from VIVIENNE Sabo. I'm going to apply mascara in a special way too. I'm not just applying it, but I'm pulling lashes towards the eyeliner and it makes eye form look longer as well. On the lower lash line is the same mascara application. Then I'm gonna use half false lashes from ARDEL. They are my favorite. It's so easy to apply them and they are very natural looking. I'm applying them to the outer corner of my eye, even going beyond the eyelashes growth line. And yeah, it's a final touch in creating Foxy Eyes makeup. While the glue dries, I'm adding some liner to hide it. So next I'm going to use the same concealer from Soda in the shade number 2. I'm applying it under my eyes. I'm using just a little bit of a product and I'm blending it by my fingers. Banana powder from the same palette I'm putting under my eyes and on the T-face zone where my skin is more oily. It's my forehead, nose and the chin. The lightest contour shade I'm going to use for correcting the cheekbones and my nose. I like this shade for its natural look and it's easy to achieve light correction of the face with it. Now I'm applying bronzer from Catrice on those areas that usually are first tanned by sun to achieve light tan effect. These are the forehead near the hairline, cheekbones and nose. For my lips, I'm taking a liquid matte lipstick from COLOURPOP in a delicate nude shade Echo Park. It's matte, but it does not dry the lips. And after fixing it on the lips, it still has some shine like cream lipstick. I'm finishing my makeup with a highlighter. I'm putting it on the cheekbones and blending it with my fingers to get a light skin glow. I'm putting some product on my forehead and on the tip of my nose as well. I'm also adding it a little on my cupid's bow. How to make more face lifting effect is to make a high ponytail. It helps to raise eyebrows and eyes slightly. So I'm making a high ponytail on the top of my head. For hiding the scrunchie, I'm separating the strand of my hair under the ponytail and winding around the scrunchie. And next, I'm fixing the tip of the strand under the ponytail. I'm using some hairspray to smoothen the hair. And I'm pulling some strands on the center of my head. One of my favorite beauty hacks, how to create a perfect hairline. I'm using the same eyebrows shadows and an angled brush to fill in these areas. It looks very naturally, like it's my own hair. Write me please in the comments down below if you like this makeup. Subscribe. See you next video. Bye.